Hi guys, on today's video I decided to share my YouTube channel's journey to 1000 subscribers. So basically I started my first YouTube and my first video was posted in January 1, 2017 with the thought of sharing my med school journey with the rest of the world, and I thought YouTube was a great place to start. And so that's when I started my first video, and sadly, after making a few videos, I did not have so much time because of med school. I just got busy and got caught up, and so I stopped making YouTube videos after a few videos. And during that time, I did not know that my subscribers went up to 363 while I was in the hiatus. And then the pandemic hit last year, as all of you know, and we were pulled out from my internship. And then what happened was I just had a lot more time. And so I started making YouTube videos again so I could share the knowledge I have. And so on June 15, 2020, I posted my comeback video with an update on where I am as a medical student and where I am heading towards. And during that time, I started doing a lot of research on how to get more subscribers, and I watched this video on Think Media. You can search that on YouTube channel, and they have really great videos that help you succeed on YouTube. And on June 27, I watched this video, how to get your first 1000 subscribers, and I made notes. So basically, these are the key points that they shared, and the first one was judging results too early, that we should make at least 35 videos before judging results too early. And basically I reached my 1000 subscribers at 37 videos posted on my channel. And the second point they gave was answer the who what question. Who will be your audience and what kind of videos will you share? And they also emphasized making service content and not selfish content. Content that will help other people. And basically my audience was med students and aspiring med students and a lot of people in the medical field. And the third point they shared was that skill up and study successful channels. Basically, we should look at channels that we aspire to be and see what they're doing to succeed and how we can be more like them, basically. And I guess one of the channels that I love and follow is Ali Abdal's channel and Karma Medic, among others. And number 4 is focus on search-based content and answer specific questions. So instead of posting random content on your channel, they basically suggested posting content that people search on YouTube channel. For instance, how to study step 1 for a step 1 exam, things like that. And then number 5 is to commit. I think this part is the most important part, and that is it's the part that matters the most. So it's the foundation of all accomplishments, by daily repetitious discipline making it a priority. So basically you have to decide, commit, and then succeed. So yeah, so they did mention that there are millions of obstacles. What's important is that you don't quit. So in June 28, I had 363 subscribers and 187 public watch hours. And my goal was, within 1 year period, I had to reach 1,000 subscribers and reach more than 4,000 watch hours. And thankfully, I reached the 1,000 subscribers in December 15, 2020. So I am extremely happy, and thanks to all of you who are supporting this channel. And I haven't reached the 4,000 watch hours yet, and basically in order to monetize the channel, you need to reach these two minimum requirements. And I'm currently at 1,500 watch hours, and if you think about it, it's hours, not minutes. So you have to multiply that by 60 minutes. So that's 24,000 minutes that you have to reach. And so I still have a long way to go. And so yeah, and basically I wrote here all my journey, how I reached, and I wrote a lot of notes here. So basically this is my summary YouTube journey. I started with 3 subscribers and 187 watch hours. Look at that. So with 8 videos during that time, and I basically wrote down every time I reached another 100 subscribers. So in September 4, I was at 500 subscribers, and after about a month, I reached 600 subscribers, and so I was gaining about 100 subscribers per month until, like, look at this one. In a few weeks, I reached 700. In another few weeks, I reached 800, and so on and so forth. And finally, December 15, that's when I reached 1,000 subscribers. And then I'm still going, and the watch hours in September, I was at 300 minutes, and it just kept going up. And the most recent watch hours I have is 1,520 hours with 38 videos. And so I still have a goal of achieving 4,000 hours. And I also took a note of all the video topics I want to post and share. And I took notes on the contents, and I took notes on my script. So here I also have a goal for 2021 for my YouTube channel, and the first one is to reach 4,000 view hours by this date, and I'm just gonna fill this up once I achieve it, and all these I have video topics I wanna post this year, and I also have New Year's resolution for 2021, things I wanna achieve, and this is just like a very brief summary and just a few points. Of course, step 1 exam, step 2 CK, and once the online CS comes out, I have to take the exam. And I just put a reminder to myself to focus on the journey instead of the goal, because we might lose sight if we don't enjoy the journey as we go to the end goal. So yeah, and I plan to do US clinical experience in the United States. I will write where I end up doing it and the letter of recommendations, and writing my personal statement and more research experience and application via ERAS and NRMP registration. And I just want to put my number of interviews that I get once I apply for a match. And I also added here what I want to achieve. And I am starting this year with 1,100 subscribers and 1,310 view hours. And I just put a thing here. I just want to note where I reach by the end of this year. And I also have goals for health and beauty, for my skincare and diet and exercise. And for my finances, I also have goals for it, but I will keep that a privacy for now. So this is like a brief New Year's resolution I have, and I hope you all are doing well. I just wanted to suddenly share my journey with you, and I also want to say that I don't have a special camera, I don't have a special audio, and I'm not the best at editing videos, but I kept on. I just used my phone and an editing app on my phone, and I switched to Adobe Premiere Pro last year, but I'm still learning about it and how to use it, because I just know the basic functions of it. And so if you are thinking of starting a channel, I highly encourage you to do so. If you have a lot of knowledge and skills to share with the world, it's definitely worth it and enjoyable, and the people you meet through the channel is really, really great and rewarding, and it's great to be able to help a lot of people with the knowledge you have. And so I do encourage you to start one, and this is one of the arts I'm doing, To Bloom with Grace. And I also want to share that about focusing on the journey and how it's been a challenge for me because of the pandemic, but another reminder to myself that learning is a gift, and I am so grateful to have this opportunity to learn and to become a doctor. And so I encourage you all to love the journey and enjoy the journey, because it's a fun time. It's also stressful, but it's also rewarding. So yeah, that's all I have for you today, and I wish you all the best in your journey, and I hope you all stay safe, wear a mask, wash your hands, and keep a distance. Love you all, and see you guys on the next one. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thanks, guys. Bye.